Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make puttu or steamed rice cake. This is a very famous breakfast recipe in South India. Very healthy and filling breakfast recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixing bowl, I have taken 1 cup of rice flour. To this add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of ghee. Use homemade ghee for best taste and results. I've already made a video on how to make homemade ghee. I'll be giving the video link in the description box. You can check on it. Give all the ingredients a very good mix. Then start to sprinkle little water at a time and mix it well. Make sure not to add a lot of water at the same time. Now we have the proper consistency, so stop adding water and our puttu filling is now ready. Keep ready half cup of grated coconut. Today I have taken a puttu steamer. Place the fitting that comes along with the puttu steamer. Now fill it with the grated coconut in the bottom. Then with the rice flour filling. And again with the grated coconut. Then again with the rice flour filling, and finally the grated coconut on top. Close the puttu steamer and it is now ready to get steamed. Steam for 5 minutes in medium flame. After 5 minutes you can see the steam coming out of the holes near the lid. It means it's done. So remove from the steamer. Remove the lid and slide the puttu directly to your plate using a rolling pin. Remove the fitting that we added in the beginning. Now a healthy puttu or steamed rice cake is ready. Serve it hot with some coconut milk and farm jaggery and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and a healthy breakfast. So do try this puttu or steamed rice cake recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.